Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and we are so pleased with this 82-inch sofa bed. It is just the size we needed, and because we don't have a spare bedroom in our house, we needed something that could convert into a bed. So the beauty of this is the back can be folded down flat, and then the bottom can be pulled out to just recline or to make the bed. And there's a smaller section and then the wider section. Just pull it out, use the handles to lift it up and down, and love the color. It's such a neutral color. It comes with 2 pillows, and I love the detailed seaming on the actual couch section. It's a beautiful, beautiful style, and I think it looks really nice in our living room. We have just been loving this 82-inch sofa bed. It really fits our needs, and it makes movie night or just a little nap during the day so fun and so relaxing. And that's our point of view.